Hi, it's JanaEats. I'm back again with an allergy-free recipe for all you guys that are on a food-restricted diet, or anyone in your family, but believe me, everyone's going to want to eat this food. So, one element that makes it really easy if you're dairy-free or a member of your family is soaked nuts. Soaked nuts whip into a almost cheese or creamy-like consistency depending on how much water you put in them. The key is to always soak your nuts at least 8 hours. At least I do. I find it's even better. It also releases enzymes that make them more digestible. Always start with raw nuts. This recipe will be on the website. So we're going to do a ranch dressing because who doesn't like ranch on everything? This is 2 cups of soaked cashews, the juice of half a lemon, and with its zest, I find that zesting the lemon adds another element. 4 teaspoons of cider vinegar, a teaspoon each of granulated garlic, just plain old garlic, and sea salt. Please use sea salt with no additives, free pouring. It's best for your body. It has lots of nice minerals too. So I've got about half a cup of fresh chives, about half a cup of fresh dill, maybe a cup of fresh flat leaf parsley. I like the flat leaf parsley. I also have a cup and a half of water ready. And I start slow, like I'll start with maybe half this into the vitamin, and we'll start grinding so I can see what kind of consistency I need. This is going to be perfect. Now this is nice and thick. This would be great as a dip, but I want a dressing-like consistency. You can see it's a little thick. So I'm just going to add a little more water. Simple. Get in there and start smaller because you can add it, but you can't take it out. Then you don't want it. You don't want ranch soup. And it might take all of it. It might take the cup and a half. No biggie, right? Now, if your family likes more garlic, add it. You've got your ranch dressing, dairy-free. Delish. See you next time.